So I hope you're well and having a really lovely day today as always. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, hello and welcome. Please subscribe if you're not already. Welcome to day 2 of LUSHMAS. I hope you guys are really enjoying this series so far, and in today's video is a super exciting one because we're going to be going through my top 5 gift sets for 2020. These are all Christmas ones. I'm so excited because I would very much like to receive all of these under my tree this year, but I thought I would go through these, and if you guys haven't picked out some Christmas presents yet, or you need to buy some Christmas presents because you've left it too late, then I'm here to help. So without further ado, I hope you guys enjoy this video and carry on watching. This is going to be in no particular order, and if I'm looking down at any point, I'm just looking at my computer because I've got the list on my computer with all the products, prices, etc. So let's get into gift number 1. So the first gift I'm going to be going through is the Fairy Christmas gift. Now this one should have been a product for the past 10 plus years because this is solely Snow Fairy. If you don't know what Snow Fairy is, I feel like you've probably been living under a rock because everybody that loves Lush knows what Snow Fairy is. It's a bubblegum scented fragrance basically. So they do bath bombs, bubble bars, perfumes and everything like that in the scent Snow Fairy. And if you love the smell of bubblegum and sweets and candy and candy floss, you'll absolutely love this scent. It's so sugary sweet. It's almost too much for some people, but I kind of love it. So yeah, I love this gift idea. This gift costs £65, which can come across as quite expensive. However, you do get 7 products in here and one of them is a body spray. So it kind of works out okay-ish because the body spray is a 100ml bottle, so it's not a full size. The full size ones are usually £20. This is, I believe, just under half, so you're probably looking at about £7 worth of product just in that. So let's start with that. So you get a 100ml body spray of Snow Fairy, which sounds unreal. I've got the body spray. It's delicious. If you love the scent and you want it to linger on your clothes, this is a great product. So that's probably about £7 worth already, so we're looking good so far. We then have the ever so classic Snow Fairy bath bomb. Looks amazing, smells amazing. This product is probably about £4.50, £4.95, so we're roughly kind of at about £12-ish at the moment, so we are looking promising so far. And if you like a good bath bomb, this one is just very, very good. Then we have the Snow Fairy bubble bar, which again is probably about £4.50, so really nice and expensive. We then follow that up with the Snow Fairy shower gel, body conditioner, dusting powder, and the brand new shampoo bar for this year. So this gift I think is quite worth the money. I feel like you do pay a little bit for packaging, but you are going to pay for packaging anyway, so it kind of, I don't know, it saves you buying packaging. Does that make sense? I don't think so. Overall, I think this is a really lovely gift. If you know somebody that is obsessed with Snow Fairy or anything like that, then this is a really lovely gift to go for. It's really different and it's got a really nice mix of products inside. So yeah, I really, really like this one. The next gift set I believe is new for this year, and this one is called You Shall Go to the Ball. This one is £60. However, this has 9 items inside, so a lot more for your money in this one. However, it's more, by looking at it, it's definitely more kind of a mix of fragrances, and I'll kind of go through each one briefly just so you kind of know what I mean. And it's got a really nice mix of products. It's more so shower than bath, so if you know somebody that doesn't necessarily like baths or has one, then this is a really nice gift to go for. But this one, you get the Helping Hands hand cream, the Sleepy shower gel, which as you guys know I'm obsessed with. You also get pink peppermint foot lotion, snow cake soap, Once Upon a Time body lotion, which smells like fresh, crisp apples, so good. You then have Sugar Plum shower bomb, Argan naked facial oil, Buffy body butter, which again is one of my cult classics, absolutely love. And then you get the Rose Jam shower gel. So this one, in my opinion, is a lot more floral, it's a lot more fruity, it's got a kind of mix of scents for everybody. So I really like the idea of this gift, especially if you're buying for somebody kind of newish in your life, like maybe a partner's mum or dad or something like that, where you're not too sure on what scents they like and things, this is a really good one to go for. Next up we have Starbrite, which is quite a bit more affordable in my opinion. It's £35 and this one has 6 items in it. It's a really lovely gift. It looks beautiful and it comes in a reusable tin, so you are technically getting the tin as well as a gift, because I know a lot of people would use that as like a cake tin or a biscuit tin or something like that. So yeah, a really nice idea, and I love all of the items in this gift. So if anybody watching wants to get me a gift, this is a really good one to go for. It just has great products inside. So this one has the Snow Fairy Shower Gel, Marshmallow World Bath Bomb, which I've mentioned before and is so good. We then have the Shooting Stars Soap, Twilight Bath Bomb, which you know is my favourite. We then have Groovy Kind of Love Bath Bomb and the Comforter Bubble Bar. So I like this one because you've got the Snow Fairy and Shooting Stars, which are both limited edition products, but you've also got the other 4 which are all year round, so if somebody gets this and wants to repurchase it, they can. So yeah, I love this one, and the price is actually a really good, reasonable price in my opinion. I think for £35 you're getting 6 lovely items, a reusable tin, and you don't have to wrap anything, which is my favourite thing about it. I hate wrapping presents, to be honest. We then have the Christmas bath time favourites, which comes out every single year, but obviously does change depending on what products are released for that year. This one this year is £49, which isn't necessarily overly expensive. However, you do get 10 bath bombs in it, so you're paying roughly about £4.90 each per bath bomb, if you're kind of ignoring the fact it's wrapped. So it is definitely worth the money in terms of the value. If you were going to buy all these separately, it may cost a little bit more, although you have got some cheaper bath bombs thrown in, so it is a kind of, what's the word, you are going to pay for packaging basically, but I don't mind doing that so much because I know the packaging is really beautiful. So anyway, I'm rambling on, let's get into what's inside. So inside this one, deep breath, we have Snow Fairy Bath Bomb, Jingle Bells Bath Bomb, Butterbear Bath Bomb, Shoot for the Stars Bath Bomb, Snowman Dreaming Bath Bomb, Luxury Lush Pud, which is a classic, Twilight again, absolute great. I love the fact they've thrown in an all year round product in there. We have I Want a Hippopotamus for Christmas Bath Bomb, Angel's Delight Bath Bomb, and Winter Garden Bath Bomb. So basically all of these are limited edition apart from Twilight, which is really nice. Again, I kind of wish they threw in a few more all year round ones in there, but because it's a Christmas bath time favourites, it's the Christmas bath time favourites, so it kind of makes sense. But yeah, I love the look at this one. Again, if you know somebody that is obsessed with baths, or even if you wanted to get them for a few different people, so say for example if somebody had a group of children, do you know what I mean, like it would be a really nice gift to get. So I love the look of that, and again £49 isn't so bad, so that is definitely one of my favourites from this year. And my 5th and final favourite of the Christmas gifts this year has to be the 12 Days of Christmas. Now not only does this look like an advent calendar, so you could get this for somebody before Christmas, or you could give it to them after Christmas and maybe they could open one a day. I don't know who would wait because I'd be too impatient, but I love the fact it has all the doors and stuff. It's just super festive. It is £75, so it is one of the more expensive gifts, obviously excluding the wow gift, which just trumps everything, but this has 12 beautiful products in it, so I'm going to go through all of those now. So in this gift we have the Yog Nog Shower Gel, which in my opinion is the most delicious smelling thing on the planet. I love it. We have Celebrate Body Milk, which I'm not too sure if you can buy separately. Let me know down below. I don't think you can. I feel like it's a gift exclusive, but I'm not too sure. We then have Golden Pear Soap, Kinky Boots Bubble Bar, Butterbear Bubble Bar, Winter Garden Bath Bomb, Caddy Cane Bubble Bar, Polar Bear Plunge Bubble Bar, Roasting Chestnuts on an Open Fire Shower Gel, Jingle Bells Bath Bomb, Orange Shower Gel, and Once Upon a Time Body Lotion. I'm not going to go into too much detail because I have done a whole Christmas video on all the products and I've kind of gone into a bit more depth, so do watch that. I will try and link it below. I have linked a few playlists in my description recently. I don't know if you guys have noticed, but it'll be in my Lush playlist, so go over and give that a watch. But yes, I love this one. I think they've kind of gone for a really good mixture of products. Again, they've got a soap and a shower gel, body milk, scrub, bubble bar, bath bomb. They've kind of got everything going on, which is really, really lovely. And scent wise, it's more traditional Christmas in my opinion. It's not overly sweet, it's not overly floral. You've kind of got orange and apple and vanilla and those kind of scents, which I think will go down very, very well. So those are my top 5 Christmas gifts for Lush this year. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I really hope you guys are enjoying the 12 days of LUSHMAS, because I thought of this on a whim and I thought, do you know what, let's just do it. Let's take the plunge and film 12 days of Lush in a row just before Christmas. So I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not already, and also don't forget to follow me over on Instagram if you're not already. And that is everything. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, a wonderful December, and I will see you in tomorrow's video.